NIX Nike Air 180. NIX Yellow 2025. The Nike Air 180 by Pan was created to represent the development of the culture of electronic music. It is a reminder of previous club nights as well as a glimpse of future ones, smudged by the innumerable hours spent dancing. A creative workshop led by Rayon Vert during Milan Design Week will allow customers to design this yellow colorway, which is more limited than the black. By attempting to mimic the distinctive, imperfect characteristics of manual workmanship within an industrial process, the workshop investigates the nexus between handcrafted artistry and machine-driven precision. NIX, a new platform and initiative from Pan for creative research and development, is making its premiere with this multidisciplinary cooperation with Nike. The retail price is $150.